You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Discussions continued at the World Economic Forum in Davos on Tuesday about a possible change in the monetary policy of the Federal Reserve System and other world central banks. Interestingly, the probability of a reduction in the Fed's key interest rate in March may be overestimated. This has already led to a strengthening of the US dollar and a noticeable increase in government bond yields on Tuesday, which in turn caused moderate sales of the three main US stock indexes. Given all this, confirmation of the stability of the world's largest economy will only reinforce this theory by strengthening the American currency. Consequently, an unexpectedly strong report on retail sales in the United States may significantly increase the likelihood of keeping the Fed's key interest rate at the same level. After all, in this case, inflation will definitely not slow down, perhaps even continue to grow. This is a really bullish scenario for the US currency, which has noticeably weakened in tandem with most currencies. For example, the euro to US dollar currency pair has been trading approximately 400 points above the minimum values since November 2023, while the pound sterling to US dollar pair is holding above the previous low by almost 600 points. When discussing the increase in the probability of maintaining the key interest rate by the Federal Reserve, we must not forget about gold. This is the main competitor for government bonds, which cannot win with such high yields on debt instruments. Therefore, any confirmation that the Fed will not lower its key interest rate in March will further reduce demand for gold. Given the proximity of a significant technical support level at the 2017 dollar mark, there is a risk of a really strong wave of sales forming. But the bearish scenario will be activated only after fixing under the marked support. Investors are also not very optimistic about the cryptocurrency market, which, despite the appearance of 11 exchange-traded investment funds, remains in the red zone. But this may turn out to be a temporary phenomenon, because now there is a large outflow of capital from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and most likely the outflow will continue, exceeding the 1 billion mark. But after the restructuring of this fund, the positive dynamics in the remaining ETFs can restore investor confidence in the cryptocurrency market, which will serve as a starting point. But traders should pay attention to the technical support level of 40,500, the breakthrough of which can increase the depth of Bitcoin drawdown. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.